Thanks for joining us here on 23 ABC News. I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter. Following President Donald Trump's sweeping executive orders, 18 states, including California, have sued to put a stop to the ban against birthright citizenship. While this matter is being hashed out, organizations from healthcare to education are waiting to see how this will impact those they serve.
I have one message for President Trump. I'll see you in court.
Following President Donald Trump's signing of an executive order disputing the 14th Amendment, attorneys general across the nation are calling the action unconstitutional. California Attorney General Rob Bonta stated Monday that not only would this impact the immigrant community, but the order would endanger federal funding for several healthcare, education, and early childhood systems.
California will lose critical federal funding for programs that thousands of people rely on, including Medi-Cal.
Under the president's order, it would exclude those whose mothers are not legally in the U.S. and whose fathers are not U.S. citizens, as well as those whose mothers are in the U.S. lawfully but on a temporary basis, and whose fathers are not U.S. citizens. Many organizations like the Social Security Administration, Medi-Cal, and Covered California admit they are going through the order and monitoring the state's action for further guidance.
The thing we're mostly watching is the financial assistance that we make available to our members. The majority of that is these premium subsidies that help lower the monthly costs that are funded by the federal government.
Covered California Executive Director Jessica Altman said due to changes last November allowing DACA recipients to receive coverage, they saw their highest enrollment to date and expect this current period to surpass it. Meanwhile, DACA recipients may also see impacts on campus as federal immigration authorities issued changes permitting agents to carry out operations at churches and schools.
This is about principles. No more important principle than those enshrined in our founding document, the U.S. Constitution. If you're not going to fight for those, what are you going to fight for?
Amid these changes, Cal State Bakersfield issued a referendum last week to the campus community laying out instructions on how to respond if approached or detained by immigration officials. And the new order is set to take effect on February 19th. In Bakersfield, I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter.